What if you had a primary care doctor that was there when you needed them the most? No large patient pools or waiting months for an appointment, but a doctor that gave you around-the-clock personalized care. Well, guys, you have it right here in Lake Nona, and it's called OneMed.
They are available 24/7.
I don't think I've ever come across such a unique group of physicians.
I'm definitely eternally grateful to Dr. Lamar and his entire staff.
This is OneMed, a concierge practice offering a unique way of caring for patients.
OneMed is a practice that incorporates primary care and psychiatry under one umbrella. It's a place that patients can come to where the primary focus of the practice is on the patient.
We want them to trust medicine again. We understand that the current models that exist, they serve a population, but it has failed them. Putting ourselves in the patient's shoes and delivering that kind of care that makes us feel good about our profession.
And it starts by putting the patient first by giving 24-hour access to your doctor and working around your schedule, which is essential for the modern-day patient.
So the modern-day patient is the busy, go-getter, multitasking individual who's looking for healthcare to meet his or her pace, and also healthcare to accommodate the mental and physical needs. So OneMed as a concierge practice that allows patients access to their physician in all aspects certainly can meet that pace.
And just by making the switch to OneMed, your life could change forever.
So we have a patient, a real patient, that has had a condition that was diagnosed several years ago. And it was just carried forward year after year. After joining our practice, we discovered that it was not actually the case. And adjusting her medications, she no longer has that condition. So our patients are now feeling what time and an encounter looks and feels like, and what maintaining a trustful relationship feels like.
This type of model has been shown to reduce likelihood of hospitalizations and poor outcomes from chronic conditions that are not well treated. Overall, your OneMed physician is really invested in the longevity of your care, not just within our clinic, but outside of the clinic.
So Dr. Lamar, this is a beautiful facility. Give me a tour. Just show me what patients will see when they walk through the door.
Okay, so when you first walk in, you get the reception area with the logo and then the curved desk. And then we're actually sitting in the waiting room now, and we designed it in a way where everybody is socially distanced. And as you can see, we don't have a lot of chairs in here, and we did that for a reason, because you're not gonna have long wait times. So this is one of our consultation rooms. This is primarily used for psychiatry. So the physician will sit there, and then the clients will sit here, and then they'll talk about whatever it is that they need to talk about with the psychiatrist.
This is nice.
Yes, this is one of our examination rooms. So this will be where a patient comes in, they're coming to see me, one of the primary care doctors. This will be the room that they get seen. And we also have a procedure room where we'll be doing procedures like injections, different things like that. We also have a interventional psych room where we do TMS as well.
So far, there is just such a flow about the office, but this room in particular is very interesting, and I really think you've all put a lot of thought into it. Talk about this recovery room.
So this recovery room is for any patient that has a procedure or goes to one of the interventional psychiatry treatments. They'll be observed here for a period of time post-treatment. We also designed the clinic in a way where you come in through the waiting room and then you exit through the recovery room to kind of reduce the patient-patient interaction.
And because of their unique model, they're able to give personalized care to treat patients as a whole. And so far, patients are loving OneMed.
I love being a patient here because the customer service is very one-on-one, and they are attentive and respond to my needs immediately.
It's a wonderful, very unique concept to have this group of psychiatrists and family medicine doctors to combine their knowledge, expertise, to be able to discuss patients amongst one another, and to have immediate resources at your fingertips is pretty unique. And
So many times we've looked down on mental health and we've seen it as, that's an illness, and we kind of push it to the side, or we we sweep it under the rug, and Dr. Lamar and OneMed and their team, they're bringing it to the forefront that it's okay to talk to people, that it's okay to talk about struggles in our lives, and that through talking and healing begins. And so that's what I really love about the whole OneMed concept is it's not just the medical aspect, it's the mental aspect as well. And I feel that's very needed in today's world and of course the COVID-19 world that we're in today.
Sign up for your membership today to get the concierge care you deserve. OneMed, your integrative care specialist.